Curious which countries lead the world in brains and innovation? Let's find out. On number 10, we have United Kingdom. It has been well known that UK institutions boast great prestigious universities, which trains brilliant brains. On number 9, we have United States of America. The US has numerous world-class universities, institutions, and tech companies. On number 8, we have Netherlands. The country has made many scientific contributions and carried out progressive research. On number 7, we have Finland. Finland's education is one of the best in the world. Students regularly top the global assessments. On number 6, we have Canada. With a high-quality education system, strong research institutions, and a focus on diversity and innovation. On number 5, we have Germany. The country leads in technology and innovation, contributing significantly to global intellectual advancement. On number 4, we have Switzerland. Switzerland's education is world-class, along with a considerable number of Nobel Prize winners per capita. On number 3, we have Japan. Japan has one of the world's highest standards of science, technology, and engineering. On number 2, we have South Korea. Korea has highly academic standards with high average IQ levels. It also leads in technology and scientific research. On top of the list, we have Singapore. Singapore has consistently been one of the top places in international educational surveys, including Program for International Student Assessment, that evaluates students' performances in reading, math, and science. See you in the next video.